In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in and out in TradingView, a crucial skill for tracking market trends in detail or seeing the bigger picture. Whether you're new to TradingView or looking to refine your skills, this guide will help you navigate with ease. Let's begin by opening TradingView. Make sure you're logged into your account, then head over to the chart section. You can access this through the main menu at the top of the page. Simply click on Chart to open up the live market visuals. Once your chart is visible, find the timeline at the bottom of the page. TradingView makes it really simple to zoom in for a closer look at shorter time frames or zoom out for a more comprehensive view of the market. Placed conveniently at the bottom left corner of the timeline, you will see a small toolbar with a plus and minus sign. First, if you want to get a detailed look at specific price movements and candle patterns, you'll want to zoom in. To do this, simply click the plus sign. Observe how your chart reacts, focusing more closely on the immediate data. This view is particularly helpful when you're deep diving into analysis and trying to identify trends or patterns in a specific part of the chart. Conversely, zooming out is just as easy. To gain a broader perspective, or perhaps to compare historical price data across a longer time frame, all you have to do is click the minus sign. It's as if you're stepping back from the chart, allowing you to digest larger patterns and trends, which can be invaluable for making long-term investment decisions or spotting overall market cycles. Keep in mind, effective use of zooming depends heavily on your trading strategy. Scalpers might prefer to zoom in significantly to capitalize on brief price fluctuations, while swing traders might zoom out to better observe medium to long-term trends. Regardless of your strategy, practice toggling back and forth between these views. It will help you get comfortable with the functionality and improve your analytical skills over time. There you have it, a straightforward method to zoom in and out in TradingView. By mastering this simple tool, you'll enhance your charting skills and become more adept at interpreting market data tailored to your specific needs. Don't forget to explore further options that TradingView offers, such as changing time intervals or adding indicators to your charts to supplement your analysis. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to drop any questions or share your feedback in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy trading!